Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 11. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of an aluminum sheet of side 6 cm. What is the area of leftover of aluminum sheet? Suppose this is the aluminum sheet. This is a square and the length of this square is given as 6 cm. And here a circle of radius, this radius is 2 centimeter. Here you will write the radius. You write the radius as 2 centimeter. The radius of this circle is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. The radius of this circle is 2 centimeter, right? You have to find what is the area of the leftover of aluminum sheet, right? That means you have to find the area of the circle, area of the square. Then you have to subtract the area of the circle from the area of the square. You have to subtract the area of the circle from the area of the square, right? Let us find one by one. Let us find the area of the aluminum sheet. Area. Let us find first the area of the aluminum sheet. Here it is. Area of the aluminum sheet. The area of the aluminum sheet. Of the aluminium. Area of the aluminium. Area of the aluminium sheet. Area of the aluminum sheet, and this is a square. Area of the aluminum sheet, this is a square. That means the area is be L square, right? L means length of the side of the square, or we can say as side into side, right? That is area of the aluminum sheet is equal to L square. What is L given? L is given as 6, that is 6 into 6, 6 into 6 centimeter square. 6 into 6, that is comes to 36. That comes to 36 centimeter square. 36 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of the circle. Now the area of the circle is area of the circle. Area of the circle. Area of the circle. Area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. Pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square, that is pi is 32 by 7. We have to take pi as 3.14. Pi as 3.143.14 into radius is 2 centimeter, that is 2 into 2, and this is unit will be centimeter square. Now if we multiply 3.14 by 4, 2 to the 4, that is 3.14, 3.14. If we multiply this number with 4, then we are getting 4 for the 16, carry 1, it is 6. 4 the 4 plus 1 is 5, and 3 for the 12, it is 12.56. We are getting it here as 12.56, 12.56 centimeter square, right? Therefore, the area of the leftover aluminum sheet, that is, you have to subtract the area of the circle from the area of the aluminum sheet. Therefore, area of the leftover, area of the leftover, area of the leftover aluminum sheet, aluminum sheet is equal to area of the aluminum sheet minus area of the circle, that is 36 minus 12.56, 12.56, this is in centimeter square. Centimeter square. Now if you subtract this one, what we are getting, you see, that is 36.0000, and it is 12.56, 12.56, 5, 6, 6 plus 4, it is 10, 5 plus 6, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 23, 23.44, that we are getting as 23.44444 centimeter square, 44 centimeter square, right? Therefore, you can say that the area of the aluminum sheet left is 23.44 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the aluminum sheet, therefore area of the leftover aluminum sheet, leftover aluminum sheet, aluminum sheet is 23.44, is 23, is 23, is 23.44 centimeter square. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.